In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy, cut, paste, and resize images in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First, make sure your PDF is open in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, not the free reader, because we need access to the Edit PDF features. With your document open, look to the right-hand panel and click the Edit PDF tool. This switches Acrobat into editing mode and highlights content that can be edited. Images will show a bounding box once selected, which lets you see exactly what you're working with. Now, click once on the image you want to work with. A set of sizing handles will appear around it, confirming it's selected. If you don't see those handles, you may have clicked outside the image or selected text instead, so try clicking the image again until the handles appear. If you want to duplicate the image and keep the original in place, use the Copy shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. Copying stores the image on your clipboard while leaving the original where it is. This is perfect when you want multiple copies of the same graphic across pages. If you want to remove the image from its current position and move it elsewhere, use Cut. On Windows, press Ctrl+X, and on a Mac, press Command+X. Cutting removes the image immediately and stores it on your clipboard so you can place it in a new spot. Think of it as a precise way to relocate an image without leaving a duplicate behind. Next, navigate to where you want the image to go. If it's on the same page, simply click in a clear area. If it's on a different page, scroll or use the page thumbnails on the left to get there. When you're ready to place it, paste using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The image will appear at the cursor location or near the center of the page, ready to be adjusted. To refine the placement, click and drag the pasted image to position it exactly where you want it. For size adjustments, use the corner handles on the bounding box. Dragging from a corner maintains the proportions and helps avoid stretching or squashing the image. If the image feels too large or small, take your time to nudge it until it fits the layout of your page. That's all there is to it. With Edit PDF enabled, select the image, copy or cut as needed, paste where you want, and then position and resize it using the corner handles. Once you get the feel for it, moving images around a PDF in Acrobat Pro DC becomes quick and precise.